Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm from Las Vegas and this is my modern gents review. They provide affordable engagement rings and wedding bands made of high quality materials such as 925 sterling silver with cubic zirconia stones. They also provide lifetime warranty, and honestly, before I placed my first order, that was a huge selling point. That's how I knew that they are confident in the quality they provide. So when I first came across the company, I was already married, but I was looking for something less expensive, something I don't have to worry about wearing every day. And I also really wanted to find something for variety because I just can't wear the same exact ring for the rest of my life. So I saw the ad on the Instagram and immediately fell in love. So I just had to go ahead and place my first order. And that's how it started. That's how my huge collection of rings started. I've been wearing these rings for quite a long time now, so I can say that these are truly high quality. This is my collection and I'm pretty sure it's only gonna keep growing because if you go on Modern Gents website, they also have earrings and necklaces and bracelets, and oh my god, I have a jewelry problem. So yeah, I love my rings. I love the Modern Gents company and I love the idea behind this company. Because when it comes to love, it's not about the amount of money you spend, it's about commitment. And it should be more normal, more socially acceptable to have several rings. Because I just don't know how to wear one. I don't know how to pick. So yeah, this is my review and thank you guys for watching, and now you just can go ahead and treat yourself with beautiful Modern Gents jewelry from their website.